Hi, yesterday I shared a cross with sunflowers on it. Today this one has butterflies. I make a lot of these, they're pretty popular, so I thought I'd share another how-to with you. The frames I get at the Dollar Tree, and then like this centerpiece is a butterfly. I got these at the Dollar Tree in their garden section. And then this tissue paper that I use to cover it, I got at Michael's. You can see it has the little butterflies on it. Some butterflies here, and then this rope that goes around it on this one I got at Hobby Lobby. Anyways, I hope you enjoy.